Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. In the previous episode, we worked with the rich text box and set up a context menu with a font dialog. In this episode, we are going to add more items to our context menu, explore some built-in rich text box methods, and integrate SaveFileDialog and OpenFileDialog into our application. Let's dive in. First, let's add SaveFileDialog and OpenFileDialog components. To do this, simply locate them in the toolbox and drag them onto the form designer. These controls allow us to use standard Windows dialog boxes for saving and opening files. Next, let's configure their properties. We need to set the default extension and the file filter. We will set the default extension to RTF, and for the filter property, we will write something like this. Now let's click on ContextMenuStrip 1 to add new menu options. Let's type copy. Then paste. I also want to save our documents, so let's add save. And finally, to open saved files, I will add open. Let's move on to the code. First, double-click on the copy menu item to open its click event. Since we only want to copy text when something is actually selected, let's write a quick condition. So, if RichTextBox1 dot selection length greater than 0, then we will copy the text. Next, let's code the paste action. Go back to the design view, select ContextMenuStrip 1, and double-click paste item. Here all we need is a single line, RichTextBox1 dot paste. Let's run the application and quickly test these functions. As you can see, selected text copies effortlessly, and paste is right where we want it. Now, let's write the code for the save menu item. Clicking save should pop up our standard file save dialog, and if the user confirms, the file will be saved. Notice how clean this is. Setting up the file filters in advance means we don't need to write complex file type validations in code. The code for the opening files will look almost the same. As you can see, the code for saving and opening is practically identical, with just a few differences. The syntax stays minimal and easy to read. Now let's test everything together. I will type some text into the field and apply some custom font styles and colors. Now let's copy a section of the text and paste it further down. Next, let's click right mouse button and then click Save. The standard Windows Save window pops up. I choose a destination folder, I will type a file name and then click Save. Let's clear all text from the field. Then right-click and select Open. I will select the RTF file we just created. As you can see, the text loads perfectly with all formatting, fonts and colors intact. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching this video until the end, and as a little reward, here are a few pictures of what a cat bird might look like. See you in the next episode.